Hello friends, welcome to the online classes. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, we are here to teach you through online videos. This is Jankna Jani from Shri and Srimati P.K. Kotawala Arts College, Patan. And today we will discuss Mahesh Dattani's Tara Part 1. This is a part of the syllabus of PA SEM 5 English, paper number CC 508, Indian Writing in English. Before we start our today's topic, let us have a glimpse of the paper, which divided in 4 units. The title of the paper is Indian Writing in English. It consists 4 units. Unit number 1, Indian Poetry Before Independence, in which you will study Indian poets and poetry which are written before independence, their impact on Indian culture, literature, and movement of Indian independence. Topic 2, Indian Poetry After Independence, in which you will study Indian poet and poetry regarding their themes, their movements which are affected Indian literature after independence. Topic number 3, Indian drama after independence, in which you will go through important Indian dramatists, their important dramas, and their impacts on Indian society and literature. You will also see important themes, plots, and background in which they are written. Unit number 2 is about selected poems. This unit consists 5 different poems of 5 different poets. One of them is Sarojini Naidu's The Soul's Prayer, Nissim Ezekiel's Marriage, A.K. Ramanujan's Another View of Grace, Kabla Das' Punishment in Kindergarten, and Jayant Mahapatra's Freedom. Unit number 3, Mahesh Dattani's work, Tara. It is one of the finest and important work of Mahesh Dattani. We will talk about him and his writing later. Unit 4 is about acquaintances. We will be acquainted about 18 different Indian poets and writers in this unit. Some of their names are Torudutt, Rabindranath Tagore, Sri Aurobindo, Dr. Krishna Srinivas, Mahananda Sharma, R. Parsarthi, P. Lal, Jeev Patel, Shiva K. Kumar, K. N. Daruwala, V.V.S. Iyengar, Guru Charan Das, Asif Karimboy, Girish Karnad, Vijay Tendulkar, Mohan Rakesh, Mahashweta Devi, and Badal Sekhar. This is all about your paper that you have to study in CC 508. Now, let us talk about today's topic. Before we start, look at the cover page of Tara, which is written by Mahesh Dattani. Mahesh Dattani is a very prominent name of Indian English writer, or rather say dramatist. He was born on August 7, 1958 to a Gujarati family. He was born in Bangalore and his father was a very famous Gujarati businessman. His life, his early life spent in Mumbai, and then he shifted to Bangalore. He went to Baldwin College, Baldwin Boys High School, and studied there. After that, he finished his graduation from St. Joseph College, Bangalore. He worked with the Bangalore Little Theatre, where his first role was in Utpal Dutt's drama. He was very much interested in drama and the technicalities of it from the very beginning of his life. But his father wanted his son to be a businessman, and that is why he joined his father's business at initial level. On the other side, he also started his career as a copywriter in an advertising firm in Bangalore. In 1986, he wrote his first full length play, Where There Is a Will, and the journey of film director started with it. As I said, his schooling was finished from Baldwin Boys High School, Bangalore. During that period, he learned Bharatanatyam, which subsequently helped him to develop skill in managing space on stage. The training of Bharatanatyam became very useful during his days of directorship. He finished his graduation from St. Joseph College, Bangalore. He graduated in three different subjects: history, economics, and political science. He finished his post graduation in marketing and advertising management, which are also became very useful in the skill of his directorship. At the beginning of his career, he became a playwright, copyright in an advertising firm for the very brief period. He joined his father's business and then left it out. Mahesh Dattani, inspired by two different writers and their dramatists and their dramas. One is from Edward Albee's Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf. He inspired from Edward Albee, and later on he read Kumarni Agashi by a Gujarati playwright, Madhu Rai. Madhu Rai is another famous name of Gujarati literature. Mahesh Dattani inspired a lot from this work. Then he formed his theatre group, which name is Playpen, in 1984. They performed Greek tragedy and modern classics under Dattani's direction. It means Dattani got a very good experience of directorship during these days. He was one of the most famous and ranked playwright in the list of BBC. He maintained a balance between his familial duty and career of interest. As I said again, in 1986, he wrote his first full-length play, Where There Is a Will. Apart from it, he wrote Dance Like a Man in 1989, It is about the discrimination on the part of men in certain fields of life. A son stopped by his father to pursue dancing. It is a very personal story. You can also uh, get assembled with the life of Mahesh Dattani, whose father wants him to pursue the business of family. Another important work, Tara, written in 1990, which is about disturbed discourse in the family. Main theme is gender discrimination, the typical Indian mentality between man and woman, discrimination. After that, Bravery Fought the Queen, 1991, Final Solution, 1993. It is about the Hindu Muslim riot on a muggy night in Mumbai, written in 1998. It is about homosexuality seen by society as effeminate, silly, ridiculous. Seven Circles Round the Fire. It is a radio play for BBC he has written in 1998. It is a story of a Kamala who was killed and the investigation murdered about her murder. Radio play is something new for us to talk about. It is also called audio drama, audio play, and radio theatre. It is based on sound, dialogue, music to help the listener to imagine the character and the story. There isn't any visual component in it. Still, radio play as a form was very successful on the days of Mahesh Dattani. And Mahesh Dattani's first radio play was Seven Steps Around the Fire. 30 Days in September 2001. Brief Candle 2009. Where Did Leave My Parda 2012. The Big Fat City 2012. As we know now that Mahesh Dattani worked as director, and then after he started to write radio play and then dramas. He directed some of important films also, which name are Mango Shuffle, Morning Raga, Dance Like a Man, Ek Alag Mausam. Dance Like a Man is the most famous film of Mahesh Dattani, and for it he got best best director award as best picture in English award by National Panorama in 1998. He got Sahitya Akademi Award for Book of Plays, Final Solution, and other plays. It is a collection of his plays. He also won Sahitya Kala Parishad Award for Tara, Final Solution, and 30 Days in September as Best Production of the Year, directed by Arvind Kaur. Alik Padamse, the living legend of stage, praised him as a playwright who gives 60 million English-speaking Indians as identity. Mahesh Dattani plays a very huge role in the history of Indian English drama. He came with very different perception to see Indian society. On one occasion, he said that my all plays are about marginalized. For an example, he wrote Final Solution to discuss Hindu Muslim riots. He wrote Tara to discuss a girl child discrimination. He wrote some other plays to discuss gay marginalized society. He talked about homosexuality. He talked about communalism. He talked about discrimination between men and women. He talked about gender issues. So, Mahesh Dattani always became a reformist, socialist, and rather say uh, a very consciously engaged playwright of Indian English literature. This is all about Mahesh Dattani. I have just given a brief detail of the dramatist. We will see about Mahesh Dattani's syllabic work Tara in the next segment or part 2 in next video. Thank you.